tonight's homework assignment is Unit 6, Lesson 3. Number 1, draw a parallelogram with no right angles. A parallelogram says that opposite sides have to be equal, and they do not want any right angles. So we have to make, well, let's put our dot here, because everything starts with the dot. Opposite sides have to be parallel. So let's go and make our first line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have to take my straight edge, and I have to connect those two dots. Okay. Because if I wanted a right angle, I would go straight down. Seeing they said I can't have a right angle, I'm going to go down 5 and then over 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and over 1 this way. If I connect those dots, you can see there are no right angles. This is less than a right angle. Now, if this side is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I'm going to make the opposite side 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, use my straight edge. Connect my dots. And there we have a parallelogram, because this side here is parallel to this. Those two sides will never meet. These two sides will never meet. And I have no right angles. Okay. Now it says draw a parallelogram with right angles. So I'm going to make it 7 by 5, just like I did. So I'm going to start with my dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I want right angles, so my lines have to go like this to form right angles. So I'm going to go down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have to take my ruler and connect my dots. Connect my points. And there I have made a parallelogram, because this side is parallel. These two sides will never meet, and those two sides will never meet. So there's my second parallelogram. It says, now draw a rectangle with equal side lengths. So I want equal sides. So let's take the number 4. I'm going to go down 1, put my dot, because that's how everything starts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. They want a rectangle. Well, the rectangle is opposite sides have to be equal. This is equal to that. That's 4, and that's 4. All these sides are equal, so I'm actually making a square. A square can be a rectangle, but a rectangle cannot always be a square. Connect my dots. And there I have my rectangle with equal sides. A 4, a 4, a 4, a 4. And I have right angles in this rectangle, as I have right angles in this rectangle. And that is the end of tonight's lesson, Unit 6, Lesson 3.